history, quality, and the perfect location. The Blacksmith Lofts in Cambridge offer an opportunity to own a piece of old Galt. Located just steps from the Gaslight District, this area is quickly becoming the heart of innovation, entertainment, and education in the core of Cambridge. With some of the region's best restaurants, the Grand River walking trails, and the Hamilton Family Theatre nearby, there's no shortage of things to do right outside your door. Inside Unit 303, soaring nearly 15-foot ceilings and oversized windows flood the space with natural light, celebrating the building's industrial heritage. This one-bedroom, one-bathroom unit offers 710 square feet of smart, stylish living with exposed brick, historic charm, and a true loft feel throughout. This unit also offers added privacy with a small, tight-knit community that makes the Blacksmith Lofts so special. Upstairs, enjoy sunrises and sunsets from the rooftop patio with river views. The Blacksmith Lofts in Old Galt. History, quality, and the perfect location. To see this unit in person, contact Sarah Middleton or David Kivell from Royal LePage Crown Realty Services.